Assalamualaikum class, how are you? I am your teacher from the Educators FM campus. Today we are going to learn about the importance of maps, the types of symbol. There are following types of symbol. The first is area symbols. These symbols represent the features that cover areas such as countries, parks, lakes and forests. This shows international boundary and this show boundary. Line symbols. These symbols represent features that are in lines like roads, rivers, railway tracks. Point symbols. These symbols are individual signs. Dots, triangle used to represent places like wells, dams, schools, mosques, churches, mountain peaks. Dry dock, radio station. This shows radio station. Colors of symbols. The use of color to represent features help in map reading. For example, blue color shows water, brown color shows mountain, green shows forest, and red for city. Methods to show scale. Maps are not just useful for directions, they can also help determine the distance between places. It is scaled down to fit the available paper or screen. When a map is being scaled down, every part of the map is scaled down by the same amount. It is important that we know how to read, understand, and use the scale. Map makers use three common methods: graphic method, verbal method, and fractional method. There are three common methods: graphic methods, verbal methods, and fractional methods. The first method is graphic method. A graphic scale depicts scale using a line with separations marked by smaller intersecting lines. Similar to a ruler, one side of the scale represents the distance on the map and the other side represents the true distance of objects in real life. Benefits of graphic scale. It is a straightforward, easy way to determine scale. If a map size is enlarged, the scale is also enlarged or reduced, meaning that it is still accurate. This is graphic method. Verbal method. In the verbal method, the scale is described in words and numbers to show the ratios between the map scale and the actual word. In verbal method, describe the scale in words and numbers. A map may say 1 centimeter equals 100 kilometer. This means that 1 centimeter on the map is equals to 100 kilometer on the earth's surface. The fractional method. In this method, the scale is shown as ratio or a fraction. In this method, the scale is shown as ratio or fraction. A map may show 1:10,000. This means that 1 unit of distance on the map represents 10,000 of the same units of distance in the actual world. I hope your concept is clear. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.